Finding the equation of a line if I was given 1 point and the slope of the line just requires that we use this formula here. This is y minus y1 equals the slope, which is m, times x minus x1. So the formula is going to leave a y and an x in there. We're going to eventually get to the form of y equals mx plus b. And in order to do this, the first thing we need to do is substitute in the things that we know that we have. So over here we have y, then we have a minus. You have to be careful when you have the point. So this is y minus y1. So if I'm subtracting y1 and y1 is a negative number, I have to keep in mind that I'm going to have the opposite of minus 1. We'll show how that figures into it. And then the slope is 2, so 2 over 1. I'm just going to put a 2 here. And then we have x minus, and then x1, I'm going to put that in parentheses over here. x1 is minus 2. Now, simplifying this, I have y, and so there's two ways to look at this. You're multiplying minus 1 times minus 1, which gives you a positive 1. Or you can look at this as being the opposite of minus 1. Either way, it's y plus 1 on this side. Then we have 2. And then the x goes here. And then I again have a negative times a negative, or the opposite of minus 2, which is going to be plus 2. Now I have to distribute this part over here. I'll underline it. So we have y plus 1 equals, and 2 times x, and then 2 times positive 2. Once I'm here, I need to get the y alone on this side, so I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. So I have y on this side, this is a 0 pair, and then I have 2x, and plus 4 minus 1 is plus 3. And that's it. We have our equation for the line. Let's just take a look at what this looks like on an actual graph. So here we have a graph, and our point is minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. So I go minus 2, down 1, and I'm right here. So that point's on the line. And then the slope says that I'm coming up 2 over 1. So my rise is 2 over 1. I'm back on the line. Rise 2 over 1. So this here line that's graphed is this equation here, y equals 2x plus 3. And we're done.